people, check it out. No start condition. Hook up a multimeter, positive end to your starter ignition wire, negative end something metal. Test it out. Monte Carlo 2004, no start issue. See comments for more details. Try to crank it. Nothing. 0 volts. Holding it for a few seconds. Maybe it's going to work, maybe not. Go to back to the on position. Crank it now. Hold it for a few seconds. Still nothing. Oh, now it wants to maybe work. 3rd time. Start it. Oh, we got that 12 volts for half a second. It's acting up. Dash is going a little nuts. Now 12 volts. Now it would start up if you had your starter in there. So kind of intermittent issue. Again, start up again now. Fine. So it looks like it's got a warm up. Diagnosis BCM. Not so much the starter.